Hello everyone, myself Sanghamitra ma'am, and today I am going to tell you a new story. Our story name is The Rats and the Elephants. The Rats and the Elephants. Okay, let's start. Once upon a time, there lived a large number of rats under a tree. Once upon a time, there lived a large number of rats under a tree. One day, a herd of elephants came that way and destroyed the homes of the rats. The rats were very scared. They ran to their king. The herd of elephants were camped and destroyed the house of rats. The king of the rats decided to meet the king of the elephants. He requested the elephant king to ask his herd to follow another route. The elephant king agreed. He ordered his herd to take another route, and the lives of the rats were saved. One day, a group of hunters came to the forest. They trapped the herd of the elephants in their huge net. The elephant king was worried. He called his minister. And said, "Please go to the king of the rats and request him for help. Please go to the king of the rats and request him for help." After listening to the minister, the king of the rats said, "Oh, mighty elephant, do not be afraid. I will think a way to set your friend free." "Oh, mighty elephant, do not be afraid. I will think a way to set your friends free," said the minister of rats. Said the king of the rats. The king of the rats called all the rats to one place. The king of the rats called all the rats to one place. They cut open the nets with their sharp teeth. The elephants were set free. Thanked the rats. So, moral of the story is be helpful. Be helpful always. Okay? Bye.